Hello, if you want to register for the upcoming JAMB UTME examination for 2025, here are 6 things you need to get ready before you proceed to do the registration. Number 1 on the list is your national identification number, the NIN number. It has to be your own that you will use for the registration. This is simply because all your details like your name, your state of origin, your date of birth, and information like that are going to be picked directly from your NIN number. So therefore, if there is any mistake on your NIN before you register, please make sure you make amendment to it before you proceed to register for JAMB or even generate profile code. Number 2 on the list is have a registered phone number that is registered with your own name. This is simply because if you want to check your results later on, or if you want to further check any information that JAMB wants to send to you, you will have to make use of this phone number. So therefore, you have to make use of a phone number that you registered yourself, okay? Because in case the phone number gets lost, if you want to retrieve it and the person is not with you, that is going to be a problem. Moreover, if you also want to check your results, this phone number is going to be needed. So make sure you use a phone number that is registered on your name. Now, if you are unable to register a phone number by yourself, probably because when you want to register, they tell you that you are yet to be 18, you can probably make use of your parent phone number, or you ask them to register a phone number for you that you will use for the JAMB profile code. And you can use a phone number that another candidate has used before. Even if probably your brother or someone has used, maybe your siblings has used the phone number for registration before, you can't make use of it. It has to be a phone number that no one has used for registration before. The only person that can use this same phone number before is maybe if you have done JAMB registration before, maybe in 2024 or before that time, you can still make use of the phone number by yourself alone. No any other person can make use of this phone number. Another thing on the list is that you have to make use of a registered Gmail account that you registered yourself, and make sure you know the password to that Gmail account. Please and please ensure you know the password to the Gmail account. This is very important, because later on, by the time you want to log into your JAMB portal, JAMB will have sent you a notification to that email when you register for JAMB. So if you need to get the access to the JAMB portal, you will have to go through your email address. So imagine you don't know the email, and you probably you lost your phone or anything happened, so you want to ensure that the email you use is the one that you registered yourself and you know the password. Also, if you don't have an Android phone yet, or probably you are using your daddy's phone, probably you want to use your daddy's email address, just ensure he knows his password. Then next on the list, which is very important, number 4, is that you should decide the course you want to study before you proceed to register for JAMB. This is very important. You don't have to get to the CBT center or JAMB office before you start thinking of the course you want to go for or the course you want to study. There won't be enough time for you, because so many people are going to be there. They might just pick some random courses for you that you don't really like. So I will advise you that you take time now before you proceed to register. You don't have to rush in, okay? Make sure you write out the courses you wish to study, probably like 1 or 2 courses that you would like, then that they have the same subject combination that you can use. Number 5 is that you should know the school you want to go for already, okay? It is not until when you get to the CBT center or JAMB office that you will not be asking them which school is in this state, or so information like that. You need to know the school that you want to go for, and also ensure that that school is offering that course. It is very important. And lastly, you should know your 4 subject combination. These are the 4 subjects that you'll be required to do irrespective of the course that you want to go for. Number 1 is English language and any other 3 subjects that are relevant to the course you want to go for. So make sure you keep these 6 things ready before you proceed to register for JAMB. So if you want to join us on our WhatsApp group, make sure you click on, if you want to join our WhatsApp group, check the comment section or in the description of this video for links to join our WhatsApp group, or you contact me via our phone number. Thank you.